All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Morning Review on Monday, the 13th of March, 2023. It's currently 9:25 in the UK. I'm just going to go to the cryptocurrency market sale we're looking for the day and coming week. So to start off with, the cryptocurrency market cap is up to 1.02 trillion. So we've had a 7.16% pump over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's gone back above $22,000. So things are looking a lot better than they were on Saturday when I did my last morning review. I couldn't do one yesterday. I was too busy with family and whatnot. We've got a 24-hour trading volume of $79 billion. Bitcoin dominance is at 42.3%. As I already alluded to, Bitcoin is trading above $22,000. Ethereum's back above 1,500. BNB, that's back above $300. XRP, not much movement there. That's still going to remain flat during the because of the court case and whatnot. Cardano's had a nice 10% push up. It's back up to 33 cents. I want to see how Solana's doing. That's made a 7% gain. Polygon, that was down as low as $1, so it was a good price to DCA in. Looking at the biggest rises over the last 24 hours, Conflux is up 31.2%, SNX is up 30%, Maker is up 25%, STX is up 25%. So there are a lot of big gainers. Bitcoin itself, I mentioned, it's up 8% over the last 24 hours. So if we move on to the charts to see how things are doing, you can see we've had a lovely push up yesterday. Are we on the daily there? Yesterday we had a lovely run up. I need to let's check the USDC chart because that was a major catalyst for what happened the other day. So yeah, USDC is stabilized now. It's back up to $1. Obviously, that sorted itself out, and obviously the cryptocurrency as markets made a correction along with that. So back to Bitcoin, we made a lower low, high high. There was a setup for a long trade there on the daily, which would have played out nicely. Would probably hit target at 2 to 1. So we've made one move for the daily 50 today, but we've rejected it and we've wicked back down. Yet remains to see how we'll close it on that. Moving down the time frames, what shall I look at first? I think I'll go to the hourly if my mouse wants to play properly. Come along now. Oh, Christ, I need this. Right, hourly. Right, so we're having a little pullback. What's the MACD saying? Right, so there's no divergences there. Onto the 4 hourly. We've had there's a little golden cross there on the hourly. The 50's crossed above the 100, so that's quite bullish. So I'd expect a little bit of a further move to the upside. Price is just broken above the 100, but it's like using it as support on the 4 hourly. It's pushed below it, but hopefully it can push back above it. Across the lows, nothing of any interest. We've got positive momentum on the MACD, which is always good. Still negative on the daily. There was a divergence across the highs on the daily, which could have played into it. You got this high here. Let's do a little ellipse from this high here. Don't worry about the ellipse. From this high here to this high here, there was a very clear divergence in the MACD line. It played out nicely. Negative momentum, but it looks like it's going to switch to positive later on. Sorry, I'm waffling a bit now. I'm going to get through this a bit more quickly now. Ethereum, much the same picture. We've made a low, another high. There's so many day trading opportunities or swing trading opportunities that have been played out. We're back into this range between $1,700 and $1,500. So we're back to where we were. So everything's recovering nicely. XRP, like I said earlier, it remains like within this between 42 and 32 cents. I think it will remain there for the time being while this court case is going on. Not much really to say about that one. Onto some other coins I'm invested in. Look at VeChain. Sorry, my computer's really misbehaving today. I need to reboot it soon. VeChain, how has that been affected by the... so it's used this 0.019 support, which was sort of my buy region. I did hoover some up on Saturday morning. It's pushed up nicely back above the daily 100. 50 still above the 100, so we're in bullish territory. I'm trying to think. I need to come down the time frame to see if there's anything that's showing that anything that's going on of any interest. Made a higher high, 4 hourly. Lower low, higher low, higher high, higher high. A little pullback there. There's a divergence between this low here and this low here, which is playing out. So I'd expect us to move towards the daily 100 today. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, just my own opinion. Solana, how that is looking. We're on the 4 hourly there. Nothing of any interest there. On the daily, we're testing support at $20. Will we react? Well, we have reacted to it. We're not, sorry, support resistance. It was prior support. It has become resistance now. I'd expect us to break through that at some point and make it become support again. We're above the daily 100, so that's nice to see, considering we did wick quite far. I'm starting far below it. And the last one to look at is H-bar, because I've been accumulating that of late. We're still in my accumulation zone, which is these two blue boxes. We've broken out this parallel channel to the downside. We've tested resistance at 0.006 and breaking back down. So today I'll probably be accumulating some more. And I will finish off with this coin that I have been looking at, which is called Selfkey, which I did a video on the other day, which is of interest to me. I've already bought some at this level. I didn't buy any, I'm not going to lie, I didn't buy any at the weekend. I'm still expecting a further pullback, which I would like to get in around 0.005, something like that. So that's just going to stay on my watch list. So back to the main list. Things are looking much better today. I need to check out the economic data for the day. See if there's any key economic news out today that could have an impact on the market. So there's one major news event. And what is that? Once again, I apologise for my computer. Australian Westpac Consumer Confidence Index. That won't really have any impact on the cryptocurrency market, so I wouldn't really worry about that. Right, so we're up 7.16% today, so things are looking much better than they were on Saturday morning, so I'll leave it for there. Sorry I've rushed through that. I need to go to the gym now, and I'll be making another video when I get back. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I know that wasn't the best video in the world, but like I said, I'm in a bit of a hurry. Drop a like on the video to get it out to a wider audience, and any comments or questions you might have, please leave them down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. I know I've got some comments to go through from previous videos, but I literally didn't even look at my computer yesterday. My youngest son, he's got autism, and sometimes that can take up a lot of my time, so I do apologise, but family always comes first. So thanks for your time, and have a lovely day. Bye for now.